So hey guys, this is Hariharan and I am back with another video of Billboard Tech. In this video we are going to unbox and review Bose AirDops 201 earbuds. Without any further time, let's get straight into the video. So here's the box of Bose AirDops 201 True Wireless Earbuds. At the bottom they mentioned AirDops 201 True Wireless Earbuds. At the top they mentioned it's effing dope. And here's the picture of my favorite actor Kiara Advani. At the right side they have mentioned some of its features like Bluetooth, dynamic range, water resistance and its battery capacity. In the top they have mentioned mono and stereo calling feature and about its earbuds case design. At the left side they have mentioned that it has a multifunctional button control and built-in mic for voice calling. At the back side they have mentioned its price Rs 3999, but it's not its actual price. Its actual price is 1900 rupees. Okay, now let's unbox the package. First they have given the modules, setup manual, warranty card and paper pamphlets etc. And it also has an accessory box which includes USB charging cable and ear tips. And finally here's the product, the brand new Bose AirDops 201 truly wireless earbuds. It looks quite comfort. At the back side of the case they have mentioned some information about the earbuds. Alright, let's open the case and check out the earbuds. Wow, it looks so classy. So here they are guys, the Bose AirDops 201. In front side they have given the battery level indicator. And guys, it's a magnetic case. It powers on the earbuds as soon as you take them out. So you do not need to power them on separately. On the inside there is an indicator for left or right earbuds and two magnetic pins for charging. Among all the budget true wireless earbuds that we have tested in the past weeks, these are the most minimal in the terms of overall footprint. This minimal design also extends to the case. There is a Bose branding at the top and the case opens without any issue. When the earbuds are charging, there is an orange LED on the earbuds. When you remove from the case, there is a white LED to denote that it's to be ready to be paired. On the back, the case has a micro USB port for charging, while bottom is home to regularity details. At the front, there are 4 LED lights to denote that the charging capacity held by the case. The sound quality takes a backseat with true wireless earbuds. While that remains the case with AirDops 201 as well, it does offer a perfect balance between convenience and audio experience. These earbuds, which pack 10mm dynamic drivers, are great for listening to Indian music. Every time I played A.R. Rahman, Shankar Mahadevan music, the sound was natural. The bass with these tiny earbuds are not punchy, but there is a subtle element to it nonetheless. They do come into their own when you listen to music suited these form factors. These comes with a button on the exterior of each earbuds to control them. However, the buttons cannot do much. It's very hard to press them. The one thing that makes me recommend the Bose AirDops despite its shortcoming is its Rs 1999 price. At this price point, it is quite difficult to find a nice pair of truly wireless earphones you can depend upon. The sound quality of the device is definitely above its price point, and the noise cancellation made due to the seal of earphones is phenomenal as it's able to cut down quite a lot of ambient noise that hinders the listening experience. The only thing where I would say that Bose can better is the connection bit of the earbuds. The integration does not feel seamless as some of the others in the market. So guys, we came to the end of this video. If you like to buy this product, there's a link in this video's description. And if you like this video, click on the thumbs up button, share your valuable comments in comment section. And then don't forget to subscribe below. Cheers!